In this video, I will show you how to connect Tradingview to Topstep. So the first step is to simply go to Tradingview, and then you're gonna have to simply open a super chart. Now once we do that, what we're gonna have to do next is simply click on Trading Panel at the bottom, and then we're gonna have here a list of brokers that we can connect to our TradingView account. So we're gonna have to scroll down, and then we're gonna have to simply click on all brokers, and then scroll down again until we see trade of 8. So we're gonna have to click on this one, and then what we're gonna have to do is simply choose if we want to connect our live account or demo account. Then we're gonna have to simply enter our username and password, and then simply click on the connect button, and basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.